Hello, who's that? Hello. Hello. Bye bye. Where are we? Today it's raining outside, so we came to her house. Her house. Eh? Going through the tunnel. Today it started with raining in the morning, so we decided to go in an indoor activity, and we did go to Haha House. It was an amazing experience with the kid, and now that the rain stopped, it's still very cold, but I decided that take a bus uphill and to come to the cemetery. It's one of the most beautiful cemeteries in Europe. It's very big, but it's popular with locals here to come just and have a walk, because it's like a big garden and it has a lot of sculptures, and it's also peaceful and graceful to walk around here. And so now I'm going to enjoy this peace and quiet just for a few minutes, walk around, and then we go back down to the center.